Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the flavorful world of sauces. 1. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is one of the most widely used sauces in the world. It is mainly made from fresh or canned tomatoes, along with garlic, onions, olive oil, and herbs like basil and oregano. The taste is rich, slightly tangy, and naturally sweet depending on the tomatoes used. This sauce is commonly used in pasta dishes, pizzas, and even as a base for many other sauces. Its versatility makes it a kitchen essential. 2. Bechamel sauce. Bechamel sauce is a classic white sauce made from butter, flour, and milk. It has a smooth, creamy texture with a mild and slightly buttery taste. This sauce is often used in dishes like lasagna, macaroni and cheese, and gratins. Because of its neutral flavor, it works perfectly as a base to which cheese or spices can be added. 3. Soy sauce. Soy sauce is a dark, salty sauce made from fermented soybeans, wheat, salt, and water. It has a deep umami flavor that is both savory and slightly bitter. Commonly used in Asian cuisines, it enhances dishes like stir-fries, noodles, rice, and marinades. Just a small amount can add a powerful flavor boost. 4. Chili sauce. Chili sauce is made from red or green chilies, vinegar, sugar, and sometimes garlic. Its taste ranges from mildly spicy to extremely hot, depending on the type of chilies used. It often has a balance of heat and slight sweetness. This sauce is widely used as a dip, in fast food, and to spice up snacks like fries, burgers, and fried chicken. 5. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a thick, creamy sauce made from egg yolks, oil, and vinegar or lemon juice. It has a smooth texture and a rich, slightly tangy taste. It is commonly used in sandwiches, burgers, salads, and as a base for other sauces like garlic mayo or spicy mayo. Its creamy consistency makes it a favorite worldwide. 6. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is typically made from tomatoes or ketchup, vinegar, sugar or molasses, and a blend of spices. It has a smoky, sweet, and tangy flavor. This sauce is mostly used with grilled or roasted meats like chicken, ribs, and beef. It adds a bold and rich taste that enhances the smoky flavor of barbecued dishes. 7. Pesto sauce. Pesto sauce is a fresh, green sauce made from basil leaves, garlic, pine nuts, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. It has a strong herbal aroma with a nutty and slightly cheesy taste. Pesto is commonly used in pasta, sandwiches, and as a spread or dip. Its fresh and vibrant flavor makes it stand out from other sauces. Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce is a rich and creamy sauce made from egg yolks, butter, and lemon juice. It has a smooth, velvety texture with a buttery taste balanced by a slight tanginess from the lemon. This sauce is commonly used in breakfast dishes like Eggs Benedict, as well as with vegetables such as asparagus and even grilled fish. Its luxurious texture makes it feel very elegant. 9. Alfredo sauce. Alfredo sauce is a creamy white sauce made from butter, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. It has a rich, cheesy, and slightly garlicky flavor. This sauce is especially popular in pasta dishes like fettuccine alfredo. Its thick and creamy consistency makes it very comforting and filling, perfect for those who love rich flavors. 10. Mustard sauce. Mustard sauce is made from mustard seeds, vinegar, water, and sometimes sugar or honey. It has a sharp, tangy, and slightly spicy taste. The flavor can range from mild to very strong depending on the type of mustard used. It is commonly used as a dip, in sandwiches, burgers, and as a dressing for salads or meats. 11. Teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce is a Japanese-style sauce made from soy sauce, sugar, mirin appa of Rye-I-N-J, and sometimes ginger and garlic. It has a sweet and savory taste with a glossy texture. This sauce is widely used for glazing grilled or fried meats, especially chicken and fish, and is also popular in stir-fry dishes. 12. Garlic sauce. Garlic sauce is made mainly from fresh garlic, oil, lemon juice, and sometimes mayonnaise or yogurt. It has a strong, bold garlic flavor with a creamy or slightly tangy taste depending on how it's prepared. It is commonly used as a dip for fast food, shawarma, and grilled items, adding a powerful punch of flavor.